Do you know you can save money on taxes while funding your education? Discover how Section 80E can ease your financial burden and help you focus on your dreams. Section 80E of income tax offers a tax deduction on the interest paid on the loans taken for higher education. Key benefits being, there is no upper limit on deduction you can claim. You can claim the entire interest paid during the financial year. This means more savings every year. You can enjoy these benefits for up to 8 years or until the interest is fully repaid, whichever comes first. And also both students and parents can claim this deduction as long as the loan is taken from a recognized financial institution. To be eligible, the loan must be taken for higher education and must be taken from an approved financial institution. This benefit is available only to individuals, not companies or HUFs. Remember, the tax deduction is available only under the old tax regime. To claim your deduction, you will need to have a certificate from a lender that clearly separates your principal and interest components. Ready to start your education journey with less tax burden? Apply for an education loan with us today and take full advantage of Section 80 benefits. Connect with us. The details are given in the caption and the comment section.